counter to it is that why not have temples under state government control, which we see in some states also. Is that the solution?
In the northern part of India, it is under trust name. I think, I personally feel sometimes where is the need for governments to control temples?
You feel that should be done away with?
Somewhere there should be some kind of middle path to it. Complete control of government, because a lot of violations are happening. And temples are not a source of income, should not become a source of income to government. They're supposed to be the custodians, or somewhere they should be able to protect temples. It is not a source of income, especially in southern part of India. I can say Tamil Nadu or Andhra Pradesh or Telangana. They view the broader view in public is it has been viewed as a income source for government. I think that is not the right thing. It is people have faith and they put money in the name of God, and that should be used for dharmic charities. That has become a practice of debate there, because when you make it a government agency, when you make it temples under government protection, government control, the problem is they'll look at it as another department.
Which is what it is, HRNC.
Actually, it should not be, You're supposed to protect dharma for Hindu dharma. And the problem in Tirupati is people who doesn't belong to Hindu dharma, if they're a part of that religion, part of that administration, maybe there are a lot of violations happen. Whether they do it intentionally or unintentionally doesn't matter. But if it is a completely Hindu, we have the right to ask. The moment a non-Hindu does some mistake, either intentional or unintentionally, it can escalate into something else, which we unwanted conflict, which is not expected out of it. So better first start correcting within and bring a lot of transparency. A lot of temple lands have been taken away. Each temple has around 1,000 acres. Each temple has around 500 acres, the minimum smallest temple. And we don't know where those lands are. Even in Tirupati, a lot of devotees, right from across India, they give those stamp papers. They donate lands to Lord Balaji. So what happened to those lands? Where are they? How are they being protected? So these are the questions. I think this is what the Sanatana Dharma Rakshana Board should be addressing it.